everybody, welcome to the Waldock Way. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Eat to Explore France Family Dinner Club. So this is the way the box looks. And like I said, this month is from France. Now when you open it, you can see here that you get to pick a recipe, you shop for ingredients, and then you start cooking. So inside the box, we have a kale and herb stripper, a France flag pin, a France sticker, an Eat to Explore passport. You fill out the front and then you write the country, the month, the year, the dishes, and then you can rate them from 1 to 10. So you have a passport to do many of those. Then you get all of the spices that you're going to need. So we have the Explore France Braised Mix for the beef bourguignon. We have the Zesty Provence Mix for the Poulette Rôti. I'm sure I did not say that right. The Ooh La La Gravy Mix. Then we have spices for the salmon dish. And we have more spices for the salmon dish. And then you also get all of these papers here in the bottom. This is a handy shopping list, so you can see that these are the 3 recipes that come for France, and it has everything that you're going to need, including which things you're going to use from the kit, and then the things you're going to need from the grocery store. This is a very convenient shopping list. And then there is the pages that are printed out. So you have Explore France, and you have the capital and popular dishes, the national language, a little bit about the animals, the flag, the location, popular ingredients, the art of French cuisine. You have a little bit more about France here, a few questions, some trivia that the kids can answer, unscramble letters. A little bit more fun and trivia back here. We have some math, a few more questions that are trivia, and then we have some more information about an artist, the Eiffel Tower. And then you have your recipes. So here you can see that you have the backstory of it, what was in your kit, the prep time, the shopping list, the basic pantry items. And then on the back of that page, you have the directions. And there are 3 recipes in this kit. And tonight, we are going to be making this one. So you're going to get to follow along a little bit with this recipe from the Eat to Explore France kit.
Bon appetit!